Hey everybody, it's about the middle of March here in North Texas, and it's time to start cleaning up. After cold weather that we've had the last couple days and weekends, now we're in the 70s and I can come out here and start getting stuff ready, which means just cleaning stuff up of all the trash and stuff that needs to be cleaned up, including these leftover carrots that I put in at the end of the fall last year. So it's like, all right, let's get these carrots out of here. Well, lo and behold, folks, look at what I got. I got carrots. Look at this one. Just pulled it right out. Look at that carrot. Look at the size of these carrots that I thought were not going to do anything. But they've been sitting here overwintering, and carrots, never had such good carrots. I mean, to you all, it might be like, oh, carrots are so easy to grow. Yeah, but for the amateur gardener and when you haven't really had successes and everything, it's nice to see it grow. So let me show you here, because these are my raised beds and you don't have to pull very hard. And look at the carrot. Look at that carrot. Oh my God, I thought these were just goners, that they weren't doing anything, but lo and behold, you just pull that out. I'm not putting any effort on that, and we got carrots, folks. So it's exciting for me to see so many good carrots, because I came out and I thinned them out in the beginning, and then I said, okay, now it's winter and it's like it's cold and I'm just leaving them, and I just left them here all winter long, and now ready to pull. And carrots, of course, you know, the ones that were spaced out better are bigger, but that's okay. Look at that, just nice. And they smell so good. Look at this one here. And we just give it a slight pull. Carrot. And another slight pull. Look at that, folks. Carrot. Because these beds I got to get ready for all the new plants that I bought. Now, being the middle of March here in North Texas, you would think that the cold weather is gone. But boy, oh boy, you might get one of those blue northerns that come down and then just kill all your plants that you newly planted. So, wow, look at that. So, and we're going to take a chance here putting things out. Now, of course, I could put the plastic on top of it here and keep them from going, you know, bad if it gets too cold, and that's an option too. But if you're like me, folks, you might have to work, and I travel for work. So if it gets cold and I'm not home, I'm leaving it up to others to cover the plant. So I don't know if I'm going to have that help necessarily if something does happen when it's cold here. But yeah, we're going to clear out these carrots. And wow, nice carrot. Nice carrot. These are just as good as if you, well, grew them yourself, huh? So folks, this is pretty good. I got a lot of success here with what I thought was just going to be a jumble of carrots, but down deep, they were growing nice carrots underneath. So that is really a pleasant surprise to start off the spring. Because in its place here, I think I'm going to put some peppers or maybe a tomato plant or something here like I did last year. Wow. Folks, this is more carrots than I can possibly eat. So we're going to have some nice carrot recipes here. Nice glazed carrots, right? Wouldn't that be good? Oh, look at these carrots. Wow, wow, wow. Jeez. You know, and this is why we garden. This is why we have the raised bed, to celebrate these little successes that, you know, you're not struggling to pull the carrot out of the ground. You were just grabbing the top, and it just like, almost like leaps in your hand that this dirt, oh jeez, look at that. This dirt is so good, and wow. It's nutrient dense in here. Wow, look at that carrot. Ah, look, look, look. Wow, that one grew through an old seed from my peppers last year. It grew right into that. Of course, that netting got in the way. We'll take that out. Ah, here's a weed. Pull that weed. Weeds are easy to pull when it's such a nice raised bed like that. Ah, carrots. Come on. Gotta reach over the, wow, 2 at a time. Carrots. Folks, I'm almost done pulling all the carrots. Little carrots. Let me go on the other side because I can reach it better. All right. Boy, the carrots, look at that. Just grab about a handful. Family's gonna be really surprised when I bring in these carrots. They didn't think anything was growing back here. They just saw the carrot tops and figure like, they didn't produce no carrots. Well, folks, they did. Look at that. Wowie zowie. Look at that. Look at that last carrot. Give it a pull. Wow. All right, folks, look at that. Carrots like that. Carrots like that. That is a success story. I got onions over on this side. Planted them already. And while we're giving you a little show here, let's show you what other stuff here. The kale from last year and new kale, because that's what grows in the spring and through the fall. Kale's growing nicely, the indestructible vegetable. Kale. I put kale here. My Brussels sprouts, which didn't turn into Brussels sprouts. They look more like cabbages. Garlic. So it's going to be time to start planting. So garlic's here. That'll grow. This here is last year's kale that I'll probably pull, eat, make space for new kale and other things. I got to start getting the snap peas and cucumbers going. So all right, folks, so here we are beginning. It's gardening season has started here for us. Carrots left over from last year. Excellent thing. All right, we will talk to y'all later, people. Bye.